Welcome to the 1099 ETC program. This tutorial covers the setup for non-reporting agents for e-filing the 941, 940 and 944 forms in AMS Payroll. Prior to e-filing for the first time, each company is required to have an e-file signer PIN. You can request the PIN for one company at a time in AMS Payroll. The request is submitted to a third-party vendor who then submits the request to the IRS on your behalf. Once the IRS approves the request, a letter will be mailed to that company with the new e-file signer PIN. This process takes a minimum of 45 business days. If you do not receive the PIN or if the request is rejected, please contact the IRS for further information. You can click Request PIN on the Payer's General screen. The third party will send the request to the IRS. It may take at least 45 business days for you to receive the PIN if approved. To request the e-filer signer PIN for individual companies, please follow these instructions. Select AMS Payroll from the main menu. Highlight the payer and click OK. Select Payer. Select Payer Edit. Fill out the payer's information, including the document, signer information. Click Request PIN. When the process is complete, click Continue. The first time e-file services is accessed, you will need to set up an account. The account information is used to create a login to the e-file services system. The login information is based on the person using e-file services. All red fields are required, other fields are optional. Enter the required information. We recommend that you check Remember Password, otherwise you will be prompted during the process for the password. Click Submit. Click OK when the account is created. Clicking Start will submit the information for the PIN request to e-file services. Click Start to continue. At this point, if there were errors in the request, you would need to correct them and resubmit. Click OK. The PIN request is now being submitted to the IRS for processing and the batch status will need to be monitored. You will need to check the batch status in case the request is rejected. To check the status, open the payer in AMS Payroll and select Payer, and then e-file services. If it is rejected, you will need to correct the information and resubmit. When the PIN request is accepted and approved, a letter will be mailed to the company. This may take days or even weeks. Once it is received, you will need to enter it on the payer's general information screen. Close the e-filer. When the PIN is received, open the payer in AMS Payroll. Select Payer and then Payer Edit. Enter the PIN, which should be 10 digits, in the e-file PIN box. You are now ready to e-file the 940, 941, 943 or 944 forms. Click OK. Please review the frequently asked questions on our website, or refer to the help files for additional information. Technical support can be reached by email, fax or phone. Thank you for using the 1099 ETC program. Have a great day.